Rips, we got somebody in here saying keep your hands on your butt.
In a way, you're just keeping your hands on your butt.
I'm keeping my hands on my butt.
I'm still sitting here with my hands on my butt.
But
Opening
Holding
call
my
we
hands.
talked about.
What was it? Keeping my hands on my butt.
put your hands on your
Yeah,
butt
the-
for a minute and just watch the market. On the
Yes,
buttock.
right.
Yep, on the butt.
Hoop is saying keep your hands in your pocket. I call that pocket pool, but hey. So we're in this network. You share a house, you get somebody else's house. It's called the house swingers. Yeah, that is true. The owners of it stick around. Well, it's a lot of Europeans.
I hopped up. I'm just going to be honest. I was fully naked.
So I want to see you hot and heavy in this NASCrack today, buddy.
Oh, I'm going to be.
Come on, film me.
Like Johnny's when he gets in a position.
Like Kuma Sutra position or like a trading?
Wow.
Well,
Get your minds out of the gutters, everybody. That
I've
was
not.
a sigh. All right,
Nailed it.
let's see if there's more degenerates on the leaderboard. Jack
Good job, Greg.
Mayoff.
Range bound ball.
Dolby does Dallas. Man Meat MP. Ice. Wallow.
baby.
Yo, something so soft. My old friend Jack's Cornhole is here. Whoop it up, boys. It's Friday.
All right, on the leaderboard, we have Ask Clap.
And
No, we're not
Ligma.
saying that one. You guys are gonna make me blush.
Oh my god, I love you traders.
Made some decisions not too proud of. Ignore the couch and the camera, but it's totally normal office.
Whoa. Are you working some kind of casting job up there that you haven't told us about? Like I've seen that couch somewhere before.
Yeah, you did say you guys have several different types of income streams, so you got to do what you got to do.
Subscribe to my OnlyFans. That's it. And we got to get the follower count up. And you started talking about making babies. I need to understand how I'm involved in that. I thought we were just going to hang out.
Gonna massage at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock
Jesus.
with Kelly.
Oh, God.
With Kelly. That's
Oh,
after
God.
I get the reverse vasectomy consultation. So that's kind of weird.
When we get to 2,000 likes, MP is gonna have another
2,000 likes.
And despite the haters, we remain strongly committed to our dual mandate of 2% long-run inflation and stealing your girl.
You know, give me a gun. I'm just gonna go.